Today is from Leeven hair, and it came in this package. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. It came with some hair accessories, which is good. This is the hair. Okay guys, so we have 6 packs here, and each of them are 18 inches long. That is really good. And it also came with this crochet pin, because this style today is going to be crochet, but like you saw in the title, it's no braids, no cornrows, and free parting. This hair is 18 inches. It's super soft and long. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. It's super long. It's actually 18 inches and it's so soft. So this hair I'm using is, like I said, from Leeven hair. I got it from Amazon. They literally shipped it, like I got it the second day I ordered it, which is very good because I have Amazon Prime. And I got the black color because black is sexy. Also, it looks super natural. I think it's not going to weigh on my head. Let's see. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Right here I share videos on hair, beauty, and healthy lifestyle. Feel free to join by hitting the subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell beside it. That way you get more content from me every single week. Isn't that cool? Thank you for always watching. So I part my hair into 3 sections. This section, and the back section. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you 2 methods that you can use. One is if you don't want to braid your hair at all. That's if you cannot braid your hair, if you don't know how to. So you can do the rubber band method. You can use a black rubber band or a transparent rubber band, depending on which one is going to blend well with your hair and the FAUX LOCS. So I have this transparent rubber band, which I'm going to be using. Also, if you're interested in this hair, I got it from Amazon, so you guys can check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So when you do the rubber band method, one thing you should have in mind is that you don't want it too tight. So be merciful on your edges. Like, I know you want to make everything sleek, but please, your edges matter, okay? Your edges matter. So please don't make it too tight on your edges. So you just take the hair, the portion of hair you want, leave a bit of space. You don't want too much pressure on your edges, guys. Very important. And then you take the rubber band and go around it. Super easy, like so. And that's it. So what you're going to do now is you take that strand of hair, you take your pin, pass your pin through that hair, okay, like so. All right, and then you take the mouth of the hair and open it up. Okay, so you open it up, and then once you open it up, you want to put it on the crochet pin. Close that, pass it through your hair easily. If you make the rubber band too tight, it's not going to pass underneath your hair that easily. So you want to take the rest of the strand, you want to hold your hair and then put that into the loop. Okay, use your left hand to hold your hair and then your right hand to drag the FAUX LOCS like so to tighten it. Can you guys see that? It's not painful, no tension. It's really easy, guys. This is like the easiest method. You see my edges, they are free. Okay, if you want to slay your edges, then you can slay your edges afterwards. So what you're going to do now is, you see this hair right here, we want to hide it, right? So you're going to open up this locks. If you roll the locks in this direction, I think it's clockwise direction, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's the clockwise direction. You can see that it's tightening up. You don't want to do that. You want to open it up. So you roll it in the other direction, which is like, I think, the anti-clockwise direction. Roll it in the other direction. You see, it's going to loosen up. You want it to loosen up. You want to take the hair and roll it around your hair. I don't see any rubber band. Can you see any rubber band? Okay. Okay. Alright guys, this is optional. If you want to make it, stay longer, you can always use a mousse to just make it tighter and more firm, and make sure you secure the hair properly and all that. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the second method. This is if you can braid your hair a bit. You're not going to braid the entire hair. And this method is what I'm going to be using for the rest of the hair. So I'm going to show you guys step by step now. I want to take the hair and braid it. Now you don't want the braid too tight because you're going to pass the crochet pin underneath, right? You just want it firm enough. We're not going to braid the entire thing. You guys can see. That's it. Alright people, this is what we're looking like so far. Now I'm done with the hair. It took me about 4 hours to finish, and I actually did other things in between. So this is actually the second day, and oh my gosh, can you look at this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I love this hair. It is so easy to make, very light. It doesn't feel heavy on my head because it's soft locks, right? So it feels very light. And yo, the color. Let's see how long this is. I told you it's really long. It's 18 inches, and if you guys want like super long, you can also extend it. And guess what guys, I didn't even finish the entire pack. Like, this hair is full, is a lot. Okay, I still have one entire pack with some hair from the second pack, so it's like really much. Okay, guys, let's spice things up. Alright guys, so I am loving this look. It is so gorgeous and I hope you guys try it out. See how to style this gorgeous locks, then you definitely want to check out my video which will be coming out this Friday on this channel on ways for you to style this gorgeous hair. Very simple, quick hairstyles, but absolutely beautiful. Now if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you guys will try this kind of hair, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell, that way you know every single time I post a video, which is every week. Thank you guys for watching this video so far. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video or in my other videos. Check them out. Bye guys.